Hello guys, this is Baser here, and welcome back to the first episode of Survival Minecraft series. We are going to be playing on a multiplayer server I host called MCBlock Survival. It is brand new. This is the second day we've had it. I only have iron right now. Working on a shop with my friend just a second ago. He had to leave, but I should have recorded then. But anyways, I think we have made some money. Oh yeah, he paid me that. He said that was a pretty good deal, so he's gonna be buying from our shop. So that's good. We have this is the fourth time I've tried this episode, but I tried it yesterday, but didn't work out. Home alone right now, so I can do anything I want. Okay. This is my farming base. This is where I get all my food. And this is where I live right now. No beds. Sadly. All of our carrots are almost done. Same with potatoes. So we should be set pretty soon on that. We can harvest, which is pretty good. So I'm thinking about expanding this again. So yeah, I got somebody to get me some cobblestone because I was so lazy. I'm just gonna put that in. I gotta put all my cobblestone in there so I don't lose it. Oh dang it. Stacking one. Okay, so we have 30 right there. Right now, I have it on peaceful right now because I was working on a build over there with my friends. Like I said, that's going to be our new shop. AFK machine, desert temple. We just spawned by. Not much. There's like the shop I just showed you. That's the remains of one I destroyed. Anyways, I'll be back with you probably in another part of this episode. Oh, whoops. Well, I need that anyways, so be right back. Guys, sorry back. Sorry. Okay, so we have all of our supplies with us. I emptied that cobblestone chest because I could. This will be our normal drop. I'm going to keep that open. Let's start filling this in. Okay, so I think we're going to have like maybe like small little farms in between here. Actually, that's what I feel like, so I think that's what we're going to do. Don't know how to edit it and speed this up, but it's gonna take a pretty short time, so I'm not gonna worry about it. But let's see. Yeah, I need to fill in that. no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, ladder. Watch it. Just walk right in. I guess. Like, I could open up this part too. Yeah, I think that's good. You'd walk straight in. I think that's good. Let's make like some metal walls out of cobblestone. I hate that this is so ugly, but it has to be done right like this right now because I have like no materials. So I have barely anything, so yeah. Oh yeah, leave that open. I'll put like a little gap in between that. That can be opened up like that. I'll put like a little gap to walk in. There we go. So, is that the same? Let's see. Is that, there, oh, I see what's wrong. What the, why am I doing that? I have a weird setup. Is that even? 2, 4, not even. Oh well. Then we'll just keep it like this because we are just gonna want to do that. I guess we could just fill in the walls. Besides like that, we may want access. We're gonna want access to all of them. So just like keep that. Yeah, that's like a good setup, and then I could fill this in. I could fill this up. Another layer. And then I could just walk in and harvest at one point. This will be like just like little farms, I guess. Maybe some little mixed up farms. Next floor will be the wheat farm. I'll just put wheat in this right now. I think I should do that. I'm putting no water source right now, but I'm probably gonna hide that somewhere. I'm just gonna keep it like this right now. I wonder how fast I'll grow, or if it will even grow. I'll test that out. But in the meantime, I'm probably gonna tear this down and make a big old farm with it, but I don't really need much wheat. And this is cool. Oh, poop. I did that. I don't even need the walls. I won't use it. I'm dumb. Anyways, I'm just not even gonna use walls. Ah! Whoops, I dropped something. I'm gonna, oh, whoops. Wow, I'm so clumsy. I'll hide some water somewhere. I don't know where yet. Probably like in between like this cobble. I can put like a block under it. That'd be good. Right now I'm just gonna place wheat seeds everywhere in this. I'll do that later. Let's see if this hoe will break. Nope. It's not going to. Boom. Boom. All set. Now, I think potatoes are almost ready. I think carrots are ready. Oh, whoops. Let's see. Not all of them. I think I'll wait. No, I shouldn't. I'm gonna put all this in my mixed up chest. Right now, it sucks though. I hate it. I just crafted a ton of ladders. I threw away all the rest of the sticks. I threw away all the rest of the sticks, but yeah. And all the rest of the ladders, but yeah. Let's see, where is it? Okay, cobble. Let's see where. Okay, I'll get a bucket there, I got 2 more buckets. Yeah, oh, oops. Oh, good. I think I'm gonna put some water in between those farms real quickly. Let's see. Where did I put it? Did I put it in the other chest? Yes, I did. Whoops. So like maybe one right here. Maybe one right here. Maybe one right here. I think that's all we need. Okay. Whoops. There. Where did the last one go? Oh, right here. There. We go. And this one. It's that. Okay. I think we're set. Oh, whoops. 3 water buckets should be enough. There. There. And there. And since there's crops, it's just going to stay tilled. Okay, I think that should be good. Now let's go check out those potatoes. Some still haven't been grown. That's okay. I think I'll just harvest it. Let's see. Some of my friends that I watch said I should make shorter videos, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm a happy farmer. Woohoo. Okay. Here we go. Now let's start replanting. Okay. Come on. I wish there was automatic replanting. Just wish. Oh man. I have some potatoes. Jacket potato? I have some jacket potatoes in there. Yeah. I think I'm gonna be putting those in the shop. Well, I am. Let's see how much coal I have. Not much. I think I'm just gonna leave these like right over here. That's good. Now time to go to the carrots. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's get this going. So many carrots. I can sell all these. Let's see, okay. Not as much as the potatoes, so I'm going to not get as much, but there's some people that are buying the carrots, so that's good. I wish there were farmers at the village right now. I think I did raid all the food, so maybe that's why they're not here. Okay, got 41. I'll just put in here because I can. 3 more potatoes. There. Not much right now to do. I'm the only player on. I don't like rain. I'm gonna make this magically go up here. Wow! It's such a rainy day. Wow, where did all the rain go? Okay, that's fine. With my magical abilities. Oh yeah. All my iron is up there. I forgot it was not. Okay. Actually I feel like going to the village for no reason, so I am. I'm not losing hunger. If I said this already, it's temporarily on peaceful, and keep inventory is temporarily on. So, yeah. This village has been claimed by the finder of it, so no trespassing, 25 iron fine, blah blah, all that. So yeah, it says everything right over here. So there's no claimed by deity dancer, No trespassing, 25 iron fine for trespassing or stealing. Allowed to come in. I am JD is of course, and Curly is big girl Curly. I have nothing to do. They like anything from the shop, and all got that. I made a deal with him. I made a deal with him to take everything from his farm if I pay him half the stuff that I get from one of my shops. So that's good. And then I'm also collaborating with one of my friends to get a shop running. So like I'm doing the build right now. He's supplying me with it, but then we're both gonna sell and stuff at the same shop. We were thinking about competing, but then we're like, oh, never mind. Time to get some cactus. That seems good. I may be able to sell that and some sugar cane. That's good. Now I don't have to buy it from Curly. That's good. I'll go hunt for cactus and sugar cane. That's his village, right? Yeah. That's what I thought. I was like, is that a new village? Because I saw like 3 of the same houses. I'm just gonna be doing this for the rest of the episode. I think I don't have anything to do right now, so bye, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna say bye. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for more, and bye.